Eastside nights, under that street light, on the corner but don't think twice. I find my mind where it shouldn't be.
Count crack rockin' that padlock, with a stash spot in my rag top. Street dreams, down the block from my dad's spot. Bad cops on my payroll, at a buck pop like Fago. At 50 cent for like 3 keys, open up the doors for that Yale.
Oh my, which one is my mic?
This one right here.
You pointing at
Oh, you want to take both mics?
Whichever one works for you.
Money cards, I need clothes. Fuckin' with 20 brothers exposed. Then we in a strip club till they close. These are the chronicles of a hood motherfucker doing what they gotta do to get paid. Chronic smoking every follicle of my shades. Writing my obituary every dig of my grave.
Look at you! Like even your shades, your earrings are different.
What's going on, man?
Are you feeling a bit uncomfortable right now?
Yeah, no, I'm alright, man. I'm home. Yo, you guys, I'm serious. I'm home. I've been showing you out everywhere I go. I'm like, YFM
And we
put me
appreciate
kind of
that.
like on in South Africa. The first ones who were like, alright, let this Mozambican come through.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I'm grateful, man. I'm happy to be here.
Like, it's just crazy what can happen in 12 months, man. And and I mean, checking your work on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, the work has just been ridiculous. And how one single has just taken you to the next level. That the crew tune is insane, man.
Yeah, true story.
Girls going crazy like, oh, he's amazing. The boy be so fly, he never.
The video game is also lit.
Even need to tie my shoelaces. I don't even sweat when I'm chasing the paper. Mind on the paper, never mind.
Yes. I have to shout out Gio back there, man. George is crazy with the scripts and all that, man.
Yeah. Alright, in the studio, he's in the building, man. It's LayLizzy. If you don't know him, trust me, you're gonna know him. His one act is really pushing the boundaries when it comes to the Mozambican sound and doing his hip-hop thing. This tune right here, the music video is also out. I saw the video when you put it up, aka also checking it out.
Yeah.
He also went mad crazy.
yeah.
You know, you guys
kind of liked it.
How much money you spend?
Kinda like it.
How much money you spend in this one?
Hey, man.
A couple of dollars.
Africa, we got a problem today. A rapper that don't care about popping bottles. Please don't compare me to Americanos. I think you done had enough problems today. Boy, I feel like $1 million. How do you feel? I be feeling like $1 million. Lately, I be feeling like $1 million.
Jamming in the studio right now.
Nobody can see you dance.
That's crazy, right? It's crazy, man. LayLizzy coming all the way from Mozambique. It's the African Dime this afternoon. This one is called The Crew. Look up the music video online.
They loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew. They loving the crew.
And one thing I honestly dig is the fact that everyone just does their music in their own language. And the common music I heard was in Portuguese.
Exactly.
You know, and I found myself trying so hard to understand the music when I was watching the TV channels outside. They playing Portuguese and music. I'm like, this is super dope.
As they should.
Yeah,
As they
you know.
should. I mean,
Are you gonna drop any bars in Portuguese?
in
your next single? Yeah.
I mean, my next, actually, on my new single with AKA.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
That single is done?
Portuguese. Yeah, that single is done. We're gonna when? Gio back next week, right?
And it's dropping way
I
up.
don't know. You guys gotta handle that.
Yo, Joe,
you know, I want to drop it here, man. I want to drop it here, but it's already on the Caller Tunes on MTN. So there's a snippet there. You can download the Caller Tunes. Yeah. *123 *84 hash. Sorry for the publicity. Yes.
You know what? I'm gonna try and get the snippet from George and see if we can just play it on the radio. It's a brand new one. LayLizzy working with AKA. Now this is what I call collaboration. It's a great time for the continent.
So when the money is calling, hello, I toast up the Buddha and pray in the morning. Hello,
When you feature someone who's as big as AKA as a collab, is this your first collab, right? From the artists that you work with, is AKA like your first collab in SA?
In SA.
Yeah.
Sim.
Yeah.
That's Portuguese, by the way. AKA is my first collab in SA.
In SA.
It is.
So, cause when you get into the SA market and you're hitting it hard with an artist like AKA, right, as the first artist to collab with, it means that the next artist needs to be someone bigger.
Yeah. It needs to be as big as AKA, or I might just, like the artist, and the artist might like my vibe.
Sure.
And then we're just gonna make great music.
Yeah, I think because at the end of the day, that's what it's about.
Not everything is about the
music.
business, and I wanna, sometimes I just wanna get in the studio with somebody that likes me and I like him. And we make great music, and it might be like a hit. You never know, even if it's not that known.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. So since you're not gonna giving us an idea on who is next,
Yes.
Let's just name drop people you would like to work with from Because you've heard their work and you think their work is dope. Who would you like to work with?
Questa.
All right.
I actually met him. He's a really cool guy. MT.
MT, okay.
Also met him. Yeah. Really cool guy. Actually, I've been bumping to MT everywhere I go, right?
Yeah.
Like, who else? Uhuru, my producer. I really like their production. I mean his production. DJ Bucks. Is he South African?
Yeah, DJ Bucks is South African.
Yeah, DJ
from Pretoria, I think.
Yeah, DJ Bucks is cool as hell. Who else? For now, I think that's it.
Those are the names.
Yeah. All right, I like it. It's a long list of artists, creative. Ricky also.
That was actually in my list like last year. I've been saying like Ricky Rick, but then
that'd be dope, man. I hope Ricky Rick's rate hasn't gone up because he's got something with Skrillex coming up.
Hey, so man, hopefully it won't charge you, man. Hopefully it won't charge.
If one did not know the Mozambican music scene, LayLizzy, who also you can pinpoint and say, you know what, there's something there and they're gonna blow up.
Hernani da Silva.
Okay.
I mean, he's already a huge star. He's known like all over like the Portuguese-speaking countries at least. Who else? Gmata, Exodus, Marcus Exodus. Those are guys that we're actually pushing as well. Who else? I mean, I don't know, man. The thing is in Mars, there's something that's happening in Mars now. We don't have a lot of new artists coming out.
Yeah.
You know, it's just like the artists who've been there, they're actually maintaining very well. You know, they're making good music. But new guys, I don't know what's going on with them, man.
Yeah.
Like most people that we come across are like people who don't want to be artists. They just have the talent, but they don't want to be artists.
Or do you find that the new artists are getting curved? You know, when people are just trying to make new music and get their music recognized, they don't necessarily get given that chance. Or the big guys are just like, yo, listen, it's initiation time.
I don't know, man, because I'm really that guy. Most of the guys like that I've helped like get a career in Mozambique. And by the way, I'm talking about 18 people.
Wow.
So like I don't have that thing like no talent now. I want to shine alone. No, I just I like to help people. You know, Joe Beck is helping me. I mean, this was like, if he did that to me, I have to do it to somebody else. Like it's only right.
I like that. And one thing I picked up, right, when I touched down in Mars and I got closer to Maputo, right? There's a diverse sound in Maputo, and that's one thing I totally enjoyed. Like the dance music is big that side. Also, the hip hop sound is also buzzing, is coming up. And as you move up, as I got closer to Bellini, I picked up that the music gets very cultural. Very cultural. It becomes very retro. I'm like,
very retro. It's just like as soon as you get to those places, you feel like you're in like a real African movie. Like
true. You know, it was crazy because there was a truck in front of me with two goats on top. They were not even tied. Those goats were just chilling on top of the car. The music I'm listening to is and I'm like, this feels like I'm in a movie set.
But it's a good thing.
It's a good thing.
That way, it doesn't die.
True.
Because I mean, I don't know many of those genres. My kids are probably not gonna know any of them. If nobody like blows up that does it. You know, but if if in those areas they're keeping it tight, it's better than nothing, I guess.
It's a great time, man, because it's a time for you as an artist. Once you get to a certain level of success and people start consuming your music to the next level,
go get those people.
You know, you go in the market, you start embracing your roots, and then people start, exploring that sound, and you never know, it ends up becoming a big thing. We got LayLizzy in studio.
Man, LayLizzy, Twitter @LayLizzy. Follow me on Instagram @LayLizzy. We only gonna release Hello featuring AKA when we reach 40,000. But it's kind of smooth, like about 100 people from 40,000. So
oh, listen to you. We're only about 100 people from 40,000. Okay.
So I need to shout out YFM, Joe Beck Records, Same Blood, Sucre on Life, right? On Life. Yes, from Slicker, from Squatter Camp.
Yes,
I used
Slicker
to watch
on
them
Live.
on TV all the time when I was a kid. Hype Magazine, man, those guys, they've been like putting my face there in like every issue they release. So I'm like, thank you.
Lay, when are you getting yourself a South African girlfriend?
Oh, it's just
Who said that?
Okay.
You sorted?
No,
that crushes my dreams.
Man. I got a girl in Mons. Shout out to Daniela. She's probably listening. Gonna be mad at me. Yes. You
had to say her name.
You know it's serious when her name gets mentioned.
Yeah, you know you're not
there goes the little dream I've had.
Hey, man.
Yo, man, like, look, she will understand. Like, you know, you can have a South African girl that will take care of you. So if she needs to know where you at,
somebody to cook and stuff.
Exactly. You know?
I'm not good
no,
with
perhaps not.
No, to cook with me because I cook.
Oh, not to cook.
Teach her.
Oh, listen, sir. Let's work something out. When are you leaving?
Nah, I suck at cooking.
Shout out once again, man, to LayLizzy.
Thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure, man. Hey. Always good hanging out.
No doubt, man. Look out for Hello featuring AKA. Next week's gonna be dropping. Yes.
Blow up. But even if you blow up, you can have a big hit out there.
When you come home.
When you come home.
I got you, man. I got you. This the crib, man.
Cause it's crazy, man. We see these artists. You come through out here, we got your back. You blow up, then you act. You finna gonna be froggy with me?
Never that.
You know? But shout out to you once again, homeboy.
You fucking with the best and she laugh like I'm kidding. Your boy tended up like I'm kidding. You can't kid with the kid, are you kidding? I'm so ready so that I feel like a nigga just started living. So if you ready, tell me how you feeling, stand up. Boy, I feel like $1 million. How do you feel? I be feeling like $1 million. Lately, I be feeling like $1 million. How do you feel? Boy, I feel like $1 million. I be feeling like $1 million. Lately, I be feeling like $1 million. Yes, I'm loving myself, blame it all on the wealth and everybody else they be loving, they loving.